talk about showing up for opportunity. I was listening to a program the other day, right? And it came to my realization that fear is holding us back from opportunity. Sometimes we are just so afraid to step out. For example, if someone presents you an opportunity to go somewhere, maybe something you're not familiar with, something out of your comfort zone, are you willing to go? Because your destiny and where you're going to end up is something that unfolds, unveils. You're welcome. Where are you watching from? Leave a comment below. So when your destiny is unfolding, opportunities will come along your way. Some may not make any sense. The point is, you have to present yourself. You have to show yourself to that opportunity, whether it's going to a workshop, a conference, meeting with friends to discuss ideas, because from there things will start unveiling from one thing to another. Hi Godfrey, welcome. So things will start unveiling from one step to another, showing you where you're going to end up. But you have to show up. You have to show commitment and dedication to things you commit to. You know, if you decide, okay, this is what I'm going to build, this is a goal I'm going to achieve, are you willing to commit and say maybe 1 hour a day I'll be putting in some time to build this thing? Showing up is not only to places, but showing up to the commitments you've made to yourself. So if I know we are coming to March right now, right? And there are things you committed in that New Year's resolution. Are you showing up to those things? Are you showing up committed to accomplish those things? Because, before you see any results, your heart has to be in it. Your mind has to be in it. Everything you think, you do, things you speak will have to do with that commitment you made in January in your resolutions. So it's all up to you. Yes, results can be seen. Yes, progress can be made, but you have to show up and show up to commit. Well, I hope this helps. As always, this is Mother Ego. Leave me all your questions. I do my best to answer them. Yes, and I'm doing a book of the week every week, so follow up with those, and slowly but surely you'll grow into your greatest authenticity and achieve your dreams. Your dreams are not hidden from you. Your dreams